Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on combining and shaping data. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Loonicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Connecting the dots is becoming the most sought-after skill these days for everyone ranging from business professionals to data scientists. In this course, you will gain the ability to connect the dots by pulling together data from disparate sources and shaping it so that extracting connections and relationships become relatively easy. First, you will learn how the most common constructs in shaping and combining data stay the same across spreadsheets, programming languages, and databases. Next, you will discover how to use joins and vlookups to obtain wide datasets and then use pivots to shape that into long form. You will then see how both long and wide data can be aggregated to obtain higher level insights. You will work with Excel spreadsheets, SQL, as well as Python. Finally, you will round out the course by integrating data from a variety of sources and working with streaming data, which helps your enterprise gain real-time insights into the world around you. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to pull together data from disparate sources, including from streaming sources, to construct integrated data models that truly connect the dots.